Great! You're ready to design your own garden. But there's a few things you should do before you race out to buy plants. First things first, site analysis. Taking a bit of time to observe your surroundings ultimately leads to garden design decisions that make the most of your site. Your site analysis should pick up on flat areas, slopes, where water might flow, and neighbouring views or eyesores. It defines where the action zones should be, where you'll sit and relax, where you'll need shade, and what plants will ultimately thrive in your garden. Like house renovating, it can be good to live in a place without doing anything to it for a year or so. Observing the site in each of the seasons. Note the changing course of the sun during that time. Look at your existing plantings. Are they useful or not? Remember, they take time to grow, so if a plant's established in a useful spot, try and work with it rather than take it out. We're looking at aspect in this video, or the direction that your house and garden face. This is important because the direction and angle of the sun on your property and the shadows cast by surrounding buildings or plantings can make it hotter or cooler, or more exposed or shady, dictating what you'll plant. In the southern hemisphere, the morning sun from the east has less heat in it than the afternoon sun in the west. The sun's course is positioned to the north of that arc, sitting lower in the sky in winter. The perfect garden aspect is a north to northeasterly facing garden. South facing gardens can still be glorious, but tend to be shadier. If your place faces west, usually you want to partially screen out that afternoon sun to reduce the heat. A tree, if there's space, or a tall shrub can be perfect for this. Get a sense of the predominant winds. On this northeast facing site, prevailing winds come from the south in winter and the west in summer. You can grow windbreaks by selecting trees and shrubs that will reduce the wind that hits your garden, making the space more comfortable for both you and your chosen plants. I'll talk about plant selection and soil in the next video in this series, so stick around.